Hello guys, today in this video we are going to review Hanx. Hanx is a platform where you can purchase lubricants and desire dust, condoms and all. Okay, so is this platform good, and what are the things you need to keep in your mind before placing any order on this platform? Okay, so as you can see, the Hanx is a very popular platform, and trust score of Hanx is really good, and 9 years from now. And in the terms of legitness, the platform is 100% legit and the brand is really good. Okay, but there is a some you can say like problems also, or we can say it's not a problem. For some people it's a problem. Okay, so basically they also have a subscription model. When you buy any product, they will activate subscription on your account if you forget to untick their subscribe and save option. So keep in mind, when you place any order, there are chances the activation of subscription. So be aware about subscription. Okay, and if we talk about second thing, that is like product. So basically they are selling different kinds of product like condoms and desire dust and lubricants. So condoms and lubricants are you can say like good product, but the taste, or we can say like the feelings of condoms and feelings of lubricants are depends on person to person. Maybe you will like product, maybe you will not like product. Okay, so it depends on person to person choice. Okay, so these are the things. Now if we talk about you should buy any product on this platform or not, yes, definitely you can buy product and you can get benefits. Okay, so this is the thing. Now if you have any questions, you can make a comment, I will reply very soon. And thanks for watching this video. Bye bye, take care, see you soon in the next video.